The stock market has been a screaming buy this year. Let's find out more with Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, is there anything that could give this market a scare?
Yeah, it seems like the market is still spooked out by the prospect of a 50-50 election. There is a lot of uncertainty right now, and they're not really sure where to put their chips. Everything from the polling, everything from the predictions market, everything seems very close. In the stock market, they're not really sure. So it just makes sense that people are being very cautious a week away from the election. And I think, yes, it's interesting. There's really important stock market news going on right now, company specific news going on right now, a lot of really important earnings, which are fascinating to see and really moving those individual stocks. Google had a great report. It was great to see that out of Google. Really bad news from Supermicro Computer. That's weighing on the entire chip industry as a whole. Well, there's a lot of stock specific news, but you're seeing stocks specifically move, but the indexes themselves have been just kind of in wait and see mode. And I think that's going to remain the case in spite of the fact that there's really big, really important news happening right now.
Supermicro is sending a big chill through the market. Traders have been talking about that stock. What do you think about what's happening?
The major problem is that their accounting practices are being put under question, and it makes sense to see the company trading down so drastically. I think they need to fix that. This will take some time for people to trust this company, but the fact that it's spreading across the chip industry is very interesting. They're a major buyer from NVIDIA, of course. I think 8% of NVIDIa's sales go to Supermicro. And I think in a world where NVIDIA's chips are sold out, yes, it does make sense. Oh, this might, impact NVIDIA. But I think if Supermicro weren't there, they would still be selling out their chips anyways. So for me, this should not affect the rest of the AI trade, should not affect the rest of the chip companies. This is, for me, as a stock specific company. We know about the tremendous rise they had earlier in the year. And unfortunately, sometimes things that look too good to be true can be.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.